my son wants cheeseburgers for dinner. So I'm not good at making cheeseburgers. So I got these buns. These are like brioche buns. They're supposed to be. They're cute. They have a little Eiffel Tower on them. I don't know. And a sandwich in case the cheeseburgers fail. Some water, because I always get thirsty when I'm grocery shopping. Obviously watermelon, because we love watermelon. Pizza rolls. We don't have to talk about that. Private. Ooh, okay. Let's start the show. So I don't like to touch the ground meat. Like I don't like to, do the whole make a ball, then make it flat, then all the things. So, yeah, these are hand-flattened cheeseburgers already. And actually, I looked for the regular kind of meat at the grocery store at Andronico's, and I couldn't find it. So, yeah. And so we got Angus whole premium cuts. I didn't know that they could cut cows in circles like that, but I guess they can. So, and for the garnish, we have some lettuce. And what else did we put? Oh yeah, and I got some cauliflower for the sides. And corn. You can't have cheeseburgers without corn. Right? Corn. But I was also thinking, which was like, this was $6. $6 for corn in Pebble Beach? That's crazy. That's like less than $1 per corn. That's cheaper than water. Okay, and then in case I wanted a little burger but no bread, I got these like little keto carb tortillas, and they're like net 0 carbs, but they actually say 7 carbs. I don't know how that works. Oh well. But yeah, so check back later to see me make a cheeseburger. Yeah. Okay. All right. Have a good day.